Hello everyone, I am Akash and I welcome you to this brand new video on the channel. And this is going to be a video series in which I'm going to show you how you can upload all the files, that is the HTML and PHP and CSS and JavaScript, all the files onto a remote server. And in this series I'm going to use the AWS, that is the Amazon Web Services, as the server, and I'm going to show you how you can upload all your files onto that server. So we are going to upload the files for this website. So this is a website that I created in a recent video. So if you haven't seen this video, then I'm going to link it in the I button up here and in the description down below also, so you can go ahead and check that video as well. And the files for this website are on my GitHub account. So the link for the account is this, and I'm going to give this link in the description down below as well. So go there and you have to select this repository. So in this repository you are going to find all these files for this website. So go ahead and download these files. So you just have to click on this download zip, and the zip for that will be downloaded, and then we are going to upload these files onto our server. So if you already have your project files with you, then that is totally okay. You don't have to download these files and you can upload those files onto the server. That is totally fine. But if you don't have any files with you ready, then you can download these files which I have on my GitHub account. So that's it for this video. From the next video I'm going to show you how to create an instance onto the AWS account. So if you don't have an AWS account, then go ahead and create a brand new AWS account. It is a very simple process. So go ahead and create an AWS account, and then you can follow the next video to create an instance, that is a virtual machine. And on that we are going to upload all these files, and also we are going to create a database and connect it with our database onto our server. So all of these videos in this video series are going to come out real soon. So do subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, then click on the thumbs up button. And that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.